Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in to CreditSend account on PC. CreditSend is credit repair company that helps you improve your credit scores. To log in to CreditSend account on PC, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.creditsend.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of CreditSend. Now here you can see login option on the top. Click on login option. With this, you'll be taken to the login page. Now here, you need to first enter your email address that you have used to create your account on the email box. After this, you need to enter the correct password of your account on the given box. With this, if you forgot your password, then click on Forgot Password option. Similarly, if you don't have an account on CreditSend, then you can click on Create Account Now. With this, click on Login option after entering all your credentials. After this, you'll be able to log into your account and now you'll have access to your CreditSend portal. This is how we can log into CreditSend's account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.